What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Today we're looking at the Petcube Bites 2. It's going to be a Wi-Fi security camera, full HD with night vision, two-way audio to hear and speak, fling treats remotely to interact and reward your pets. And it's got a little dog on here, but I found that these little round cat treats work really well in here. So we got a full room view with wide angle lens, treat flinging distance up to 2.5 meters, treat container capacity up to 700 grams, cloud video recording, which I am not paying for anymore, but you do get a few hours for free, so that's awesome. Smart alerts with human and pet detection, secure camera sharing, iOS and Android compatible. The big difference is this one's going to have a much needed speaker and microphone system so that you can actually use Amazon Alexa right on the device. My main problem with the original Petcube is the fact that you have to use your Amazon Alexa in another room, or you have to use it next to the Petcube, so you need two devices. The Petcube Bites 2 integrates Amazon Alexa right in the device, so you don't have to have your Amazon Alexa nearby. You can actually talk to Alexa right through the device here. And because the first video was so successful, it was even featured on a Russian news channel called RTV, I decided it would be an awesome idea to get the new one and review it. And it's just been sitting in my office for a while because my old one is working so well. So today, guys, we're gonna unbox it, take a look at it, and test it out with some of my beautiful, cute kittens. And if this is your first time here, guys, hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell. I'm working hard on these tech videos in my spare time when I'm not working full-time as a truck driver. So, guys, I greatly appreciate that. Let's get right down into the unboxing. Let's go. Very nice packaging, and it actually looks a little bit smaller than the other one did. They have changed the way you remove it. Right here, there used to be a little locking slide. And here is where you're going to actually mount the device if you would like to do that. So now there's a little pull tab right here. You pull that box out, and that's going to be everything inside the box. And now inside the box here, it looks like we have these little things. I don't know what these are. These are new. I did not have those in the last one. And we've got a nice thick USB-C cable, which is awesome. Slide this on like so. Just slide it up, boom, it's in, and you can remove it with this little push button right there. So that's pretty awesome. And then they also include some mounting hardware. Now, I'm not sure what these little orange things are. Let's try to find that out. They have actually upgraded this because this was a little bit different and it has a soft feeling, so the treats shouldn't get stuck as much, because they do occasionally get stuck with the other Petcube. And then the lid just pops off right here, and there is a little rubber seal. So they have completely redesigned the treat hopper, which is awesome, as you can see in there. And if you have some little treats here, that's going to be better for those, but I think mine would be fine for those right there. So completely redesigned hopper and treat flinging mechanism, pretty awesome. We've got some we've got a little bit different setup. And pretty much everything has been improved here, guys, so you gotta love that. A lot has changed, guys. I'm really impressed here. And it looks like it's got a fairly big speaker here, so that's pretty awesome. And I really like the design of this, guys. I'm super excited to check it out. So I'm gonna plug this thing in, and we're gonna test it out, see if we can get the cats to run in here. We are going to plug this bad Larry in right here. And looks like it goes in right here. Little green light comes on, and we're going to put this back on. Okay, now let's go get some treats. Oh, they're crying. You hear them? Here you go. Camilla. Wow. Oh, there we go. It flung one. Try one more. Wow. That one flung it really far, guys. That is awesome. Okay. Alexa, ask Petcube to fling a treat. Okay, guys, that was the first look at the Petcube Bites 2. I gotta say, I do love the redesign, but I think the speaker lacks a little bit of boom to it. Obviously, the speaker is very small there. I haven't used it to play music or anything, but I can tell from listening to it that you probably wouldn't want to. As you can see, the cats love it. And let me know if you have any questions at all about this product, and if you're interested in purchasing it, there'll be a link down below, guys. I know it's been a while since we've seen Lulu. So here's Lulu. She's over a year old, guys, and she likes the Petcube, but not really as much as Camilla does. But she is really a lovely kitten, and very happy that I adopted her. And she's getting used to the Petcube, but she does not love it as much as Camilla does. Camilla really won't leave the thing alone. And I love the fact that Petcube has gone through and changed all the features with this camera. They changed pretty much everything about it, except for the shape of it. The size is smaller. The treat dispensing system is completely different. So if you had any problems with the first generation Petcube, you're probably not going to have it with this one, guys. Now that we've looked at the Petcube, tested it out, definitely leave a like and a comment below, guys. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video, guys. I'm gonna say goodbye because Lulu is getting a little crazy. From Lulu, Camilla, and I, guys, until next time, I'll see you later. Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I'm out.